distant galaxies, distant galaxies. The words penetrate the universe like the waves that break the shore. The concentric rings encircling the thought of love that could end this war. Fill your empty spaces up with love. Fill your empty pages up with love. All around her is just an empty room, like flowers, paintings bloom and grow velveteen. All the colors leap into the